Okay, next, can we look at question number 15? Okay, for this question, okay, I think I just want to mention something like this. When you are given a x that is equal to AB over A plus B, basically we cannot simplify further, right? But the moment if I take reciprocal, then this is A plus B over AB. Or then I can simplify this as 1 over A plus 1 over B. That means I still, there is a chance for me to do some simplification, right? Or therefore, same idea here. Or therefore, can you see that when you look at AN, basically there's nothing much that you can simplify. But if you look at 1 over AN, then you realize that you will end up with what? You will end up with 2AN minus 2 minus AN minus 1, right? And then divided by AN minus 2 multiplied by AN minus 1, right? Or therefore, take note, it's multiply. The denominator is multiplication. And in this case, it give me a chance to split them. Or that means in this case, the splitting will be like this. That will be just equal to 2 over AN minus 1, right? Minus 1 over AN minus 2. Can? Yeah, this is how you split. And in this case, can you see that we can actually do further splitting? That means your 2 of AN minus 1 is actually viewed as 1 over AN minus 1 plus another 1 over AN minus 1. Or therefore, you bring one of them to the left-hand side. Or therefore, in this case, can you see that AN minus 1 over AN minus 1. And then this side here becomes what? This side becomes 1 over AN minus 1 minus 1 over AN minus 2. Or therefore, what does it mean? What does it mean? That means actually, in this case, you can view this as what? That means in this case, can you see that the difference of these two terms, can you see that the difference of these two terms is the same as the difference of these two terms? That means what? It is actually a AP sequence. That means in this case, what you can view it as Tn minus Tn minus 1 is the same as Tn minus 1 minus Tn minus 2, right? That means that the consecutive difference is always a constant. Is always a constant. Therefore, this is actually a AP concept, arithmetic progression. And arithmetic progression, and it is given to us that your T1, right, is given to us that A1 is 1. A1 is 1. That means in this case, can you see that my Tn is actually 1 over A1, which is 1 over 1, and that is just equal to 1, right? Okay, then what about your A2? Okay, they only give us, okay, A2 is 3 over 7. Therefore, in this case, can you see that? Okay, therefore, maybe, sorry, at this part here, I changed to 1, or T first term, the first term. Okay, then your T2 is actually 1 over A2, right? And 1 over A2 is 1 over 3 over 7. And in this case, it is actually 7 over 3, right? Then in this case, we know that the common difference for arithmetic progression, we need to look for the common difference. The common difference is actually T2 minus T1. Whether you use T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2, they are all constant. That means the difference between the consecutive term is a constant. We say that this sequence is a arithmetic progression. Therefore, in this case, can you see that will be 7 over 3 minus 1. And that will give you 4 over 3, right? Therefore, if you are, the question asks for 2019 terms, right? 2019 terms. That means, take note, your 2019 term is actually 1 over A 2019, right? 1 over A 2019. And in this case, that will be just equal to 1 plus what? 1 plus 2019 minus 1 times the common difference. The common difference is actually 4 over 3. Okay, take note, for a AP, the general term Tn is equal to what? Is equal to the first term. It is equal to the first term, A1. And then A1 plus what? Plus n minus 1 D. Okay, take note, this A1 is not this A1. It means the first term. Or it is the first term plus n minus 1. N is the number of terms. N is the number of terms. Number of terms. N equal to number of terms. Right? And D is the common difference. Therefore, with that, can you see that what you get here is actually 8075 divided by 3. Divided by 3. Okay, therefore, in this case, can you see that? To answer the question, right? To answer the question, your A, can you see that your A 2019 would be just equal to 3 over 8075. 8075. And hence you got the answer. Okay, take note, class. I think in these questions, I solve it as a sequence. That means in this case, you actually identified that this is a AP. But I think there's a second method, which what we call guess and check. That means you observe the pattern and then you make a guess. And then you will be able to get the same answer also. Take note, class. I think this question, they also want us to find, this is not the answer yet, right now, because they want us to find, the P as a fraction, right? P over Q. Therefore, what is P plus Q? Therefore, in this case, P plus Q. This is equivalent to P over Q, right? In lowest term, right? Therefore, P plus Q is just equal to what? P plus Q is just equal to 3 plus 8075, right? And in this case, you get 8078. Therefore, this is the final answer. I think they asked for this, right? Okay, let me show you the second method. It's basically purely by observation. That means, can you see that second method? Second method, just purely by observation. That means in this case, you compute, because A1 is given to be 1. A2 is given to be 3 over 7, right? Then I think we can calculate A3, right? A3 is equal to A1 multiplied by A2 divided by 2A1 minus A2, right? Therefore, in this case, can you see that this would be 1 multiplied by 3 over 7 divided by 2 times 1 minus 3 over 7, right? And in this case, can you simplify? You get 3 over 7, and then this is 14 minus 3 over 7. Therefore, what you get is 3 over 11, right? Then after that, can you continue to get your A4? Can you continue to get your A4? Your A4 is just equal to what? Your A4 is just A2 multiplied by A3 divided by 2A2 minus A3, minus A3. Therefore, go through the same calculation. 3 over 11, 3 over 7, right? Then multiplied by 3 over 11 divided by 2 times 3 over 7 minus 3 over 11. Okay, maybe in this case, can I say that you simplify? You should be able to get 3 over 15. 3 over 15. Therefore, make a guess. Make a guess. Can you see that? What is your 7? How does a 7 relate to so-called 3? How does your 7 relate to so-called 3? Relate to n. Relate to n. That means in this case, can you see that your 7 is 2 times 4 minus 1? 2 times 4 minus 1. Then what about your 11? Your 11, can you see that your 11 is basically 4 times 3 minus 1. Sorry, I think maybe I shouldn't write in this way. I should be using 4 times 2 minus 1, right? Then in this case, can you see that if you look at 15, 15 is 4 times 4 minus 1. Therefore, in this case, this is the n, right? Keep changing. But change according to your 4 here, according to your 3 here, right? Therefore, in this case, can you see that your an is actually 3 over 4n minus 1. Understand? Therefore, you can observe this pattern. Therefore, in this case, your an, can you see that your an your A 2019 is just equal to 3 over 4 times 2019 minus 1. Therefore, in this case, you will get 3 over 8075. Therefore, same answer. All right, then in this case, this is your P and Q, right? Therefore, same thing. This is your P over Q. Therefore, your P plus Q would turn out to be 3 plus 8075. Therefore, this would be just equal to 8078. And that's it. Therefore, I think take note, second method is purely by observation. But the thing is, you have not proven vigorously why AN is that pattern. Therefore, I think sometimes, yeah, but it is a good observation. Right? Okay, yeah. With that, I stop here. Yeah.